If you need to make a logo transparent in Photoshop, this video will walk you through the fastest and cleanest way to do it, even if you are brand new to Photoshop. Whether your logo has a solid white background or a more complicated backdrop, I'll show you the easiest method to remove the background, clean up the edges, and export your logo correctly so the transparency actually stays intact. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's start with the background removal. First, open your logo in Photoshop and look at the Layers panel. If your logo layer has a lock icon, click it to unlock the layer so you can edit it. Once it becomes editable, check for the contextual taskbar underneath your image. If you see the Remove Background button, click it. This is usually the fastest option for clean, crisp logos because Photoshop will automatically create a layer mask and remove the background for you. You'll know it worked when the background turns into that gray and white checkerboard pattern, which means transparency is now active. If your logo is sitting on a simple solid background like pure white or pure black, you can also use the Magic Wand tool. Select the Magic Wand tool from the left toolbar, then go up to the top options bar. If your logo has letters with holes in them like O, A, or P, you may want to uncheck Contiguous so Photoshop can select all matching background areas at once. Then click directly on the background color. Once it is selected, press Delete to remove it or use the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel if you want to keep things non-destructive. That way, you can hide the background without permanently deleting it. Now let's clean up the edges because this is the step that makes your logo look professional. Sometimes after removing the background, you may notice a little white fringe or dark halo around the edges. To fix that, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click the logo thumbnail or mask in the Layers panel to load the shape as a selection. Then go to the top menu and choose Select, then Modify, then Contract. Enter 1 or 2 pixels and click OK. This slightly shrinks the selection inwards so the edge becomes cleaner. After that, go to Select and choose Inverse or use Ctrl-Shift-I on Windows or Command-Shift-I on the Mac. Then press Delete to remove that thin edge area. When you're done, press Ctrl-D or Command-D to deselect everything. Next comes the most important part, exporting your file the right way. If you save your logo as a JPEG, Photoshop will automatically replace the transparent background with white again, which defeats the entire purpose. So instead, go to File, then Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. You can also use Export as if you want more control. In the Export As window, make sure the format is set to PG. And very importantly, confirm that the transparency checkbox is checked. If transparency is not enabled, your background may be flattened during export. Once everything looks correct, click Export and save the file to your computer. And that's it. You now know how to make a logo transparent in Photoshop, clean up the rough edges, and export it properly as a PNG so the background stays invisible. This is a super useful skill for creating website graphics, product mockups, social media branding, thumbnails, and more. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.